Hello and welcome to our channel, where we talk about healthy foods and their benefits for our body. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most common and nutritious grains, corn. Corn is a staple food in many cultures around the world, and it has been enjoyed for centuries. But did you know that corn is also packed with numerous health benefits? Let's find out the top 10 health benefits of corn. Provides energy. Corn is a rich source of carbohydrates, which are essential for providing energy to our body. The high fiber content of corn helps to regulate blood sugar levels, providing sustained energy throughout the day. Boosts immune system. Corn is packed with antioxidants, such as zeaxanthin, lutein, and beta-carotene, which help to boost the immune system and protect the body from various diseases. Promotes digestive health. Corn is a rich source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health by keeping the digestive system regular and preventing constipation. Reduces cholesterol. The fiber content in corn helps to reduce cholesterol levels in the body, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Helps in weight management. Corn is a low-fat and low-calorie food that can help in weight management. The high fiber content of corn makes you feel full for longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Prevents anemia. Corn is rich in iron, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. Eating corn regularly can prevent anemia and improve blood circulation. Good for eye health. The antioxidants present in corn, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, are beneficial for eye health. They can prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Helps in pregnancy. Corn is rich in folate, which is essential for the development of the fetal brain and spinal cord. Pregnant women should include corn in their diet to ensure the healthy growth of their baby. Reduces inflammation. Corn is a good source of anti-inflammatory compounds, which can reduce inflammation and prevent chronic diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and cancer. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Corn is a rich source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for the proper functioning of the body. So there you have it, 10 health benefits of corn. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to include corn in your diet and reap the benefits of this nutritious grain. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.